Many SaaS founders believe they can handle everything. In the beginning, everything seems manageable. You're closing customers, shipping impressive features, and revenue is flowing in. It feels like you're on top of the world. As you grow, the once simple operations suddenly feel daunting. Your team, though working hard, starts to misalign. Key decisions take too long, communication begins to falter, and you find yourself. Most founders don't realize their challenge is not solely about growth. It's about creating structured operations. You must design your systems to support the expanding complexity so that your vision translates into cohesive action. Understanding where your bottlenecks lie can change everything. You need clarity on what's working and what's breaking. Focus on visible metrics that empower you to prevent chaos before it becomes overwhelming. Your team needs clarity about the priorities that will move the business forward. Without that clarity, you risk becoming the bottleneck yourself, leading to decisions that further complicate the operational flow. To scale effectively, you need to build better systems that promote consistency in delivery. It's not just about achieving results once, it's about ensuring those results. Your roadmap should focus on actionable strategies that allow you to implement core system designs. Simplicity over complexity will lead to a thriving enterprise that isn't prone to chaos. If you're facing pressure instead of freedom and growth, consider this a signal that your systems need to adapt. Remember, growth isn't the problem, it's how you structure your operation to embrace that growth. Subscribe for more SaaS scaling strategies and systems to grow without chaos. Visit SaaSFounderSystems.com for the insights that lead to your sustained growth journey.